not my stomach. That is not my stomach growling. You can't even see the airplane. Whoa, you see that? Uh-huh. Anytime somebody say, pray my strength in the Lord, that means something wrong. Pray my strength in the Lord. It's getting harder. See the little lightning? That's just a little one. That lightning be so like a streak in the sky. Yeah, that part. This is real. This is Texas. And then look, my bar set, we haven't been able to use it. I haven't been able to use it. And the chairs have pillows, but I can't. You hear that noise? I know I need to get myself inside. Oh yeah, that's what I need to do. As a matter of fact, that's what I'm going to do. Ah! I smell gas. I smell gas.